Hey, recently the Gould Brothers put out Revolver trick shots, and I'm going to show you a couple of shots that I did during that video. Check it out.
True cowboy greats can run a revolver from either hip. Aaron's got one for the money. This is two for the show.
3 to get ready.
Look at that ring come off there. Look at that. That is awesome.
Now I'm ready for deer season 2021.
Well, that quartered out nice.
I hope you enjoyed those couple shots in this quick video. If you want to see the full video, I'll put a link in the description for the full Gould Brothers video down below. For your chance to win one of the 5 revolvers that we're giving away, click on the link down below in the description. Remember, you're a common patriot, so be bold, be strong, don't ever give up. God bless. We'll see you next time.